BPU, lighting our community. Streetlights play the important role of safely lighting our roads and sidewalks. While the unified government decides where streetlights are needed, BPU is responsible for maintaining the nearly 19,000 streetlights and more than 5,500 private area lights in our community. BPU and the UG need your help to ensure our streetlights are placed properly and are functioning correctly. If you see a streetlight in need of repair, write down the pole number, address, or cross streets and be able to describe the issue. Call BPU at 913-573-9522 and we'll take care of the problem. However, if you see a location with no streetlight and you feel it should have one, please call the unified government at 913-573-5311. They're here to help with all new streetlight requests. If you have an area like a backyard, alley, or parking lot in need of area lighting, call BPU at 913-573-9531. When you contact BPU, we'll create a work order and you'll receive an automatic callback letting you know the problem is being addressed. Remember, there are 3 different numbers to call depending on the situation: streetlight repair, request a new streetlight, order private area lighting. BPU and the unified government appreciate your contribution to keeping the community safely illuminated. BPU, lighting our community. To learn more and to print a copy of these phone numbers, visit bpu.com.